What up, what up, what up? This is a 2013 Dodge Journey 2.4 liter. All right, we're doing a low radiator hose. Just this guy right here. Here's your upper hose right here. Real easy. This comes along here, right there. Now your lower hose, that's it right there. And it's all right. This is a 2013 Dodge Journey. It's a 4-cylinder. Doing a lower radiator hose. Look like this. So it's kind of hard to get to from the bottom. Ain't no way you're gonna get to the clamp. You gotta take some stuff apart. So first thing you do, take out this clip. It's a push pin. Use your little trim tool like that. All right. This right here is a 10 millimeter. It actually lines up with that. I already kind of took some of this stuff apart. I thought I'd make a video. Pop that out. Take that off. That's 8 millimeter. You got a little clip right here. Just lift it up. It'll come off. Take that out. Air filter. You got 8 millimeters bolts right here. One right there. One right there. Look like somebody pulled that one up. All of that'll come out. Okay. Next thing you're gonna do is take this out. You got two 8 millimeters. Go right here. Right here. Okay. Then you're just gonna pick that up, move it to the side. You don't have to take all that off. Just leave that alone. All you want to do is get that clamp right there. Now you can get it from the bottom. So the easiest way to do this is to take this hose. You're gonna take the upper one off first, right? There's your squeeze clamp right there. So you're gonna squeeze those two, take this off, right? And then you're gonna lift the hose up, and then you can get it a little tool like this. Let me see. So I'm gonna use this right here. It's my weapon of choice right here. Some hose clamp pliers. Take this like this. Just come in like this right here. Right here. Right there. Squeeze this clamp right here, like that. Then we're gonna take that upper and I'm gonna just like turn it, twist it, pull it back, and then I'm gonna lift it back. I'm gonna show you. Let me get it prepped for you. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. See, now I got this upper hose off, right? Just go right over there. So you see I got it right here, pull it like that. See, now pull it up. And now the clamp, this right here, is on the bottom. So then you're gonna take these right here, and then just go underneath it. Get it from the bottom, squeeze it together, and then pull that clamp up. And then we're just gonna transfer the clamps to the new one, lock them in, and then put everything back. You're gonna fill up the coolant right here. Let it run, bleed it out, and then you're done. This is a 2.4 liter. It's a Dodge Journey 2013, but works on all the 4 cylinders. All right, thanks for watching the video. Peace. Okay, here's a little advice. This right here, when you pull this up, pull these pins out. I just cut the hose. You know what I'm saying? You don't replace it anyway. So I just cut it, right? And now you get, it's out the way. You know what I'm saying? Because it's kind of obstructing your view. So you're not gonna get this from the bottom. You ain't gonna be able to see. You know what I'm saying? Because this frame right here is in the way. You got to get it from the top. So now you come right here. You got. Now you see what I'm talking about? See, there's your clamp. You squeeze them together. But that hose in the way. So I just recommend cutting that hose. Boom, easy to do now. So, boom, I just put one of these clamps on like this. Look, that's the 8 millimeter right there. Cause boom, you hit it right there, just like that. Cause what is it? These old joints right here, sometimes they wear out. But I'm gonna keep this top one for the top. It's easy to get to. It's just kind of hard to get to on the bottom. So I just replaced that clamp. I'm gonna reuse this one on the top though. But that's it though. Boom, you can get it right here from the top. Or, you know what I'm saying, if you want to use a wrench on the bottom, probably, I don't know if you can get a yeah, you probably get a ratchet on it, or maybe even an impact tool. But I'm trying to do this shit the easy way though. But that's it though. Yeah. Boom, put this on, then you'll put this back, put your air filter back, and then bleed it out.